Have you ever wondered what keeps you alive every single day? It's the magic of life processes, the intricate symphony of actions that our bodies perform to keep us ticking. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, it's a complex dance of processes that maintain life. Understanding these processes not only quenches our natural curiosity, but it also allows us to appreciate the miracle that is life. The secret to life's continuity lies in these life processes. So, what are these life processes that are so vital to our existence? Let's dive in and unpack this intriguing concept. Life processes are the basic functions that all living organisms perform to sustain life. They can be broken down into 7 key categories, each as fascinating as the next. First on the list is nutrition. This is the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other essential substances. It's like fueling a car. Without it, the engine simply wouldn't run. Next up is respiration. Now don't confuse this with breathing. Respiration is the process of releasing energy from food. Picture a tiny power plant within each cell, relentlessly working to provide the energy we need to function. Then we have movement. This isn't just about moving from point A to point B. Movement includes all the actions our body performs, from the beating of our hearts to the blink of an eye. Growth is another crucial life process. It involves increasing in size and complexity. Think about a tiny seed sprouting into a towering tree, or a single cell developing into a complex organism. Reproduction is the process responsible for the continuation of species. It's the reason why plants produce seeds, animals bear offspring, and why we humans exist. Sensitivity, or response to stimuli, is another fascinating life process. It's all about how organisms react to changes in their environment. Imagine a plant turning toward the sun, or your hand instinctively pulling away from a hot surface. Finally, we have excretion. This is the process of removing waste products from the body. It's a bit like taking out the trash. Not the most glamorous job, but absolutely essential for a clean, healthy environment. Each of these processes plays a unique role in maintaining life, and they all work together in perfect harmony. From nutrition to excretion, these 7 life processes are the unsung heroes of our existence, continually working behind the scenes to keep the grand spectacle of life on track. Do you see how all these processes are interconnected? Now that we've unpacked the various life processes, let's dive deeper into how they all fit together like pieces of a puzzle. Imagine life processes as an intricate dance where each step is reliant on the one before it. For instance, the process of nutrition, which involves the intake of food and its conversion into energy, is closely linked with respiration. The nutrients derived from the food we eat provide the necessary fuel for respiration to occur, producing energy that our bodies need to function. Similarly, transport, another life process, ensures that these nutrients and oxygen reach every cell in the body. Without transport, the energy produced by respiration would not reach the cells that need it, and the body would not be able to function effectively. Consider, too, the process of excretion. This life process is responsible for removing waste products created during respiration and other metabolic activities. If excretion were to slow or stop, these waste products would build up, negatively affecting other life processes. In essence, life processes are like a relay race where the baton is passed from one runner to another. Each runner or process is dependent on the previous one to carry out its role effectively. A deficiency or breakdown in one process can cause a ripple effect, disrupting the harmony of the whole system. Life processes are not standalone functions. They are intertwined, each influencing and depending on the other. This interconnectedness is what makes life such a complex and fascinating phenomenon. Understanding life processes brings us closer to comprehending the complexity and beauty of life. So let's take a moment to reflect on what we've explored today. We dove into the mystery of life processes, unpacked their intricacies, and highlighted their interconnectedness. We discovered that these processes, such as respiration, growth, reproduction, and excretion, are not standalone functions. They are interwoven threads in the tapestry of life, each one crucial in maintaining the balance and continuity of life. We also emphasize that these processes are not exclusive to us humans. Every living thing, from the smallest bacteria to the largest blue whale, relies on these processes to survive and thrive. It's a dazzling display of nature's ingenuity and adaptability. So, the next time you take a breath, remember you're partaking in a shared symphony of life processes. Remember, life is a beautiful orchestra of these processes, each playing its part to create the music of existence.